Hey, Andy. Alrighty, we're going to go after some NBA Hoops Premium again. We probably won't have hardly anybody in here watching, honestly. I know most of you guys got quite a few teams. I think I had 2 or 3 people get over 4 or 5 teams. So if whoever's in here right now can hear me and see me okay, just let me know. And we will go ahead and get started. I know one person in particular told me they were going to go ahead and go to sleep for the night and watch tomorrow on their lunch break. So I think we pulled an auto last time, either out of the mega boxes or the hangers. I can't remember which, but these hangers can be feast or famine with those purple discos and rookie variation possibility and orange prism inserts. Anyways, we will go ahead and get started. See what we can find. I think the last hanger break we didn't pull a single rookie variation, so hopefully tonight we have a little bit of change of luck in that category. Purple discos, like I said, they can either make or break you, so hopefully we hit a lot of those rookies on the purple disco side of things. Dwight Powell, Kevin Huerter, there's a Kevin Durant, Kimball Walker, Emmanuel Moody, Kyle Lowry, Mo Bamba, Jabari Parker, there's a Kobe White rookie for the Bulls. Got a Taco Fall rookie. Moritz Wagner. Bol. Got the 2 big boys from the class there. Dirk Nowitzki insert. The tribute there. Kevin Love silver. We got a green Karl Malone tribute. For the Jazz. For our purple discos, we got Goran Dragic, Andre Drummond, Jarrett Allen, and Daniel House Jr. That was tough right there. We've got an Aaron Gordon get out of the way insert for the Magic. So a tough start to this one. Unless you had a couple teams that had a card. Those purple discos, you either hit pretty much all rookies or all veterans. It's not usually a mix. Oh no, it was a sniper fest. I have not mastered the art of sniping. The only auctions I ever bid on, I usually get beat out. I guess you just got to put your honest max ever bid and cross your fingers. Tell you, one of the only people in football this week, from week 1 to week 2, that I was thoroughly, once again, impressed with, that actually kind of surprised me, was Kyler Murray. It shouldn't have surprised me because the weapons he's got to throw to. Heck, even Rondale Moore's pretty good, but he had another good week. Lauri Markkanen, Kyle Porter Jr., Gordon Hayward, Chris Paul, Zach LaVine, Terrence Ferguson, Zach Collins, Josh Hart, DeJounte Murray, Got a Carson Edwards rookie for the Celtics. J.R. Smith mixed in there for some reason. Jordan Poole rookie. There's a Shaquille O'Neal tribute. Got a silver. It's Moritz Wagner for the Wizards. And then we do have a green rookie, Isaiah Roby. I think they've got him updated to the Thunder here. He may have switched teams since then. I know I think he switched right before the Thunder too. All right, we got a Purple Disco rookie of Fondu Kabangle for the Clippers. Oh, heck yeah. There we go. We got a Zion Purple Disco. Sweet. Oh, double trouble. Nikhil Alexander-Walker. I like this kid right here. He'll get his shot one day. And a Chris Paul tribute. So that was a solid pack right there. And then Dennis Smith Jr. Get out of the way hollow for the Knicks. I do not know what he's up to lately. I thought he went to the G League for some reason, but that could be wrong. There's a lot of people who thought Dennis Smith Jr. was going to be something big time, but so far he's been a little bit underwhelming. We'll be able to look back in 25, 30 years and quickly figure out who some of the busts were that everybody thought was going to be great by the number of PSA graded cards that are on the market. Probably be about 50,000 Lonzo balls. Right now, Lonzo to me is kind of on the fence. He could just be a mediocre player for the rest of his career or do something special. I think one way or the other, those three Ball brothers are going to be on the same team in the NBA one day. I don't see old LeVar letting them go too much longer without it happening. That'd be fun to watch. LeVar seems to be able to force his hand into about anything. Alrighty, you got Anthony Davis, Nikola Jokic, Alex Caruso, Andre Iguodala, Mitchell Robinson, Fred VanVleet, Markelle Fultz, Trevor Ariza, Tyler Johnson, a Terrence Davis rookie for the Raptors, Lou Dort for the Thunder, Darius Baisley also for the Thunder, and we got a DeAndre Hunter tribute rookie for the Hawks. Oh, damn, I thought we were about to have back-to-back boxes of big old Zions. That's a silver Brandon Ingram for the Pelicans. Ooh, got a silver scope Sekou Doumbouya. Those silver scopes don't pop up every box, so that's pretty neat. I don't know. I thought he got traded from the Pistons, though. But that one will go to the Pistons either way. That's a nice team match here. Harry Giles, Purple Disco for the Kings. Dennis Smith Jr., Josh Jackson, and Ersan Ilyasova. We got a base frequent flyers of Kawhi Leonard on the back. So, a tough Purple Disco box there. Alright, Justice Winslow, Thonmaker, Taurean Prince, Victor Oladipo, Aaron Baines, Donovan Mitchell, Terrence Ross, Derrick Jones Jr., Alfonso McKinney, Cabango rookie again for the Clippers. It's just the base this time. There's a Zion base rookie as well. Nice. Got a Larry Bird tribute. PJ Washington. A little variation there for the Hornets. It's our first variation in the last 12 boxes of this we've done. Got a Dwayne Bacon silver, also for the Hornets. Another green rookie here, Jalen Noel for the Timberwolves. Our purple disco is looking like we might hit a veteran stack again here. Kevin Looney, Bismack Biyombo. There's SGA for the Thunder. And Larry Nance Jr. And then, that's a nice looking card. I love the Arriving Now silvers. They look pretty slick. I'm not a fan of the base cards, but the silvers look sweet. Got a nice Kendrick Nunn here for the Heat. So we got a couple Zions through the first half of the break. Haven't seen a John Morant yet. No Tyler Hero yet. Who else is some of the big guys we'd be looking for? LeBron, Luka. We did get one Kobe White base rookie. I don't know. Let's keep it rolling. We did get our first variation. I'm excited about that. Honestly, didn't think they were that rare. I think we just had a little bit of bad luck because I feel like we used to get more than one per 12 boxes like that. We're just kind of on a sad streak. Alrighty. Dion Waiters, Reggie Jackson, Karis LeVert, Austin Rivers, Kyle Lowry, Mo Bamba, Jabari Parker, Mikal Bridges, Ignas Brazdeikis, rookie for the Knicks. That's another one we need. RJ Barrett. We got a KCP for the Lakers. Eric Paschall, rookie for the Warriors. Malik Monk in there. John Stockton tribute for the Jazz. Got a silver Klay Thompson. Interested to see how he comes back this year. Oh my goodness, what a break for the Pelicans. Jeez Louise. The greens are hard enough to pull in a box, nonetheless get a rookie or a big rookie. Very nice Zion green. That is sweet. Just loading up. If we'd only hit these purple discos consistently, we've been kind of getting shut out here. Karis LeVert, Austin Rivers, Wendell Carter Jr., and Wilson Chandler not going to do it for us. We do have a Kevin Durant frequent flyers, though. It is just a base card, but a little KD love there. He's got the standard picture for everything, it seems like, in 2020. It's like they couldn't get him to show up to take a picture. Or they just didn't feel like cropping him out of his jersey for the other photos he had for his other team. I don't know. That's awesome. Tap that down, straighten it out a little bit. So what do we got? A green, a purple disco, and a base Zion. Shoot. Alrighty, 3 boxes to roll. Alrighty. Jalen Brunson, Dion Waiters, Reggie Jackson, Karis LeVert, Mikal Bridges, Karl Anthony Towns, Andre Roberson, John Wall, Devin Booker, Quinn Cook, Kevin Porter Jr. rookie. Big eyes on him this year. Duncan Robinson, Anthony Davis tribute. Got a silver of Seth Curry for the Mavericks. We got another silver scope. It's only the second one out of 6 boxes, I guess. Hassan Whiteside for the Blazers. Come on, Purple Discos. Don't do it to us again here. Markieff Morris, Thomas Bryant, Drew Holiday, and Lonnie Walker. Then we got Anthony Davis, frequent flyers for the Lakers. Man, if we could have had some Purple Disco boxes like the first one or second one we got with the rookies in it, we'd be doing all right. Pull the variation, 3 Zions. Otherwise, it's been a pretty nice break, except for those Purple Discos. Killing us. Another phone maker, Torian Prince, Victor Oladipo, Zell Valentin, LeBron James base, Bradley Beal, DeAndre Ayton, Nerlens Noel, Marvin Bagley. Got a Dean Wade rookie for the Cavaliers, Sekou Doumbouya, Talon Horton-Tucker rookie for the Lakers. There's a Rui Hachimura tribute for the Wizards. Got a Talon Horton-Tucker silver for the Lakers. That's nice. Green, Andre Roberson. Okay, maybe we got some rookies here. Got Goga Batadze, Purple Disco for the Pacers. Nice Darius Garland, I like him for the Cavs. There's Cam Reddish for the Hawks. And John Stockton tribute for the Jazz. We got a nice orange, what do they call these? Orange hanger box exclusive. Victor Oladipo for the Pacers. There are a couple teams behind on him. Mike, we've actually pulled 3 Zions, which is pretty cool. Care for that top loader much. We got a green Zion, a purple disco Zion, and a base. Then we had a rookie variation, PJ Washington Jr. Have not pulled any autos yet. And we got some other various rookies. The purple discos we haven't been hitting too well. We did just get some rookies in this box, but. And then another one was Talon Horton-Tucker. We got a silver of him. We got a silver scope, Sekou Doumbouya as well. So we've had some decent cards. It's just, if these purple discos would have panned out in more than just 2 or 3 boxes so far, we'd have been rolling pretty good. Like old Darius Garland, though. Alright, last box. I'm hoping for a variation and just some more rookies on the purple disco side of things. And we'll have a nice little break here. I'd like to see a Luka maybe too. Just like one Luka. Alrighty. Oh, gosh. I got to stop saying... I say alrighty before we start ripping every pack. Dwight Powell, Kevin Herter, Kevin Durant, Kimball Walker, DeAndre Ayton, Nerlens Noel, Marvin Bagley, Emmanuel Moody, Lucas Simonik, rookie for the Spurs, Muriel Shayok for the Sixers, Cameron Johnson for the Suns, got a Karl Malone tribute, Kendrick Nunn variation for the Heat, very nice. Got Joe Ingles silver for the Jazz, Zach LaVine green for the Bulls. Ersan Ilyasova purple disco for the Bucks. Buddy Hield for the Kings. Frank Ntilikina for the Knicks. Pascal Siakam for the Raptors. Not going to do it for us there. We get Miles Bridges silver frequent flyers for the Hornets to finish it out. Alright, well, we'll do a recap here. We did get some nice cards. We just felt like we could have got a little bit more out of it. Not tonight. We got two variations and some nice Zions. Here we go with an Aaron Gordon silver get out of the way insert. Got a Karl Malone green tribute. Kobe White rookie. Dennis Smith Jr. get out of the way insert. That was a silver as well. Chris Paul purple disco tribute for the Thunder. Nikhil Alexander Walker and Zion Williamson both purple disco. Mfiondu Kabengele purple disco rookie. Isaiah Roby green rookie. Sekou Doumbouya silver scope for the Pistons. Brandon Ingram silver. Kendrick Nunn silver arriving now. Got a SGA purple disco for the Thunder. Jalen Noel green for the T-Wolves. PJ Washington Jr. variation for the Hornets. There's a Zion base rookie. Kevin Durant frequent flyers insert for the Nets. And we got a green Zion Williamson rookie. Klay Thompson silver. Hassan Whiteside silver scope. Kevin Porter Jr. rookie. Victor Oladipo with the orange lights camera action. The orange is a hanger box exclusive, so I don't know how frequently those pop up, but nice little card. Purple Disco John Stockton. Got a Goga Batazi Purple Disco. Darius Garland Purple Disco. Cam Reddish Purple Disco. Talon Horton Tucker Silver. Got a Rui Hachimura Tribute. Miles Bridges Frequent Flyers Silver. Pascal Siakam Purple Disco. Zach LaVine Green. And a Kendrick Nunn variation for the Heat. I do appreciate you guys jumping in. I do have a select basketball break that'll be going off here in probably 15 or 20 minutes. If you win any teams or have any bids out for any teams on that one, just shoot me a message so I can take your shipping off if you're in this break or the baseball break or any of the breaks last night even. But anyways, other than that, you guys have a good week. And just shoot me a message if you need anything. We'll see you.